Hello everyone. Today's video will not be a tutorial. I will tell you about the game I am developing. This is my second project, and I believe that if I can finish it, it will turn out to be a good job. The starting point of the idea is this. I was very impressed by the Little Nightmares series. The gameplay mechanics, atmosphere, storyline impressed me a lot. I'm trying to use the same techniques in my second project. I want to talk about the story briefly. The protagonist is Sarah. She wakes up in a hospital and remembers nothing. A little girl named Lily guides and helps her uncover the truth. I won't go into too much detail, but I can say it's a shocking story. The first enemies we encounter in the game will be mind-eaters. I'm also designing different and more challenging enemies in future levels. I'm also thinking of adding a boss system. There will also be a weapon system in the game. For now, there's only one pistol. I'm not going to overdo the guns. I think it's best to leave them alone. I planned the camera system as in Little Nightmares. The character's movement will be free in directions other than the camera direction. The game starts in the hospital, and we are looking for ways to get out of the hospital. After the hospital, we will go outside to the city. Then we will return to the hospital after passing through the church, Sarah's house, back streets, and a few other places. I haven't planned the day-night cycle yet. I'll probably decide to make it night all the time. I'm also curious about your opinions. I would definitely like to evaluate your constructive ideas. But the atmosphere will be gloomy and dark in general. I would like to write the names of the subscribers in the credits section who helped me while developing this game. If you allow me, of course. We have a long way to go for now. I don't want to rush the work, like my first game, and I don't want this game to fail. If you're finding value in these tutorials, hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you love the content. You can also ring the bell to stay updated. See you in the restaurant at the end of the universe.